dark to throw a bone. For a while, I'm sleeping like a bee. The curiosity give the cat a light. You see, you see, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head onto the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut aged metaphor and later made her cry. Luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. What a way to start the day. I've standing on in space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my